Hello, and welcome back to Clarity English Studio. This is the podcast for English learners who want to speak with more confidence and joy.
Hi there. We're so glad you could join us today. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Max. On this channel, our goal is to help you practice and improve your real-world English in a way that's fun and easy to understand.
That's right. If you enjoy our lessons, please consider subscribing to Clarity English Studio and giving this video a thumbs up. Your support helps us create more content for you.
Thank you so much. We've got a really tasty topic lined up for today.
Oh, I can't wait. Today, we're going to chat all about our favorite foods and our habits in the kitchen.
This is one of my favorite subjects. Food is always a great conversation starter. So, Sarah, how are you doing?
I'm doing wonderfully. I had a very productive weekend and even tried my hand at a new recipe for sushi.
Wow, you made your own sushi? That's impressive.
I did. I made some classic salmon rolls and a few rolls with fresh vegetables. It was a really enjoyable process.
I have to say, I'm in awe of your skills, Sarah. I can barely manage to cook simple things like scrambled eggs or a piece of toast.
That's perfectly fine. We all have our different talents. What did you get up to this weekend?
I took it easy and made a simple pasta dish. It was nothing fancy, just some spaghetti with a basic tomato sauce.
Simple meals can be the most comforting, can't they?
I completely agree. And on Sunday, I fully embraced relaxation mode, watched some TV, and snacked on potato chips.
That sounds like a perfect Sunday. Well, since we're on the topic, let's get to the most important question. What is your all-time favorite food?
Oh, that's an easy one for me. It has to be pizza. I could honestly eat pizza every single day.
Pizza is a fantastic choice, a true classic. What are your go-to toppings?
Pepperoni and extra cheese are my standard. Sometimes I'll add mushrooms if I'm feeling adventurous.
That sounds delicious. As for my favorite food, I'd have to choose sushi, especially rolls made with fresh salmon and creamy avocado.
Sushi feels so sophisticated. I've only ever had it at restaurants.
It's surprisingly fun to make at home. You can get really creative and experiment with different combinations of ingredients.
I just don't think I have the patience for it. I need something much more straightforward.
No problem at all. Maybe one day I can show you how to make some simple rolls.
That could be interesting, but for now, I'll happily stick to my pizza.
All right, now let's pause for a mini English lesson. Our first word is toppings.
Toppings are the extra ingredients you add to your food to give it more flavor or texture. Think about what you put on pizza or ice cream. For my pizza, the toppings are pepperoni and mushrooms.
Exactly. For ice cream, toppings could be chocolate sauce, fresh fruit, or sprinkles. Our next word is recipe. A recipe is a guide with instructions on how to cook something. It tells you what you need and what to do.
And the foods you need for a recipe are called ingredients. So for a simple pasta dish, the ingredients might be spaghetti, tomatoes, garlic, and olive oil.
Perfect. Now let's talk about the word greasy. This adjective describes food that has a lot of oil or fat. Things like French fries or fried chicken are often greasy.
Greasy food can be very tasty, but it's often not the healthiest option. We also used the words salty and sweet. Salty food has the taste of salt, like pretzels, while sweet food has the taste of sugar, like candy or cake.
I definitely have a sweet tooth, which is an expression we use when someone really loves sweet foods.
Now let's talk about comfort food. This is food that makes you feel happy and nostalgic, often reminding you of your childhood. For me, it's that pizza from the small restaurant near my childhood home.
My comfort food is my grandmother's apple pie. She taught me her recipe, and the smell of the cinnamon and baked apples always reminds me of happy family gatherings.
That's the wonderful thing about comfort food. It's not just about the taste, it's about the feeling of safety and happiness it brings.
Exactly. It's also interesting how different our tastes are. You lean towards savory, simple comfort food, while I love to bake and create more intricate dishes.
It's true. My cooking philosophy is quick and easy. For breakfast, it's toast. For lunch, a ham and cheese sandwich. For dinner, it's often pizza or a burger.
And my philosophy is more about the experience. I love making a big omelet for breakfast, a colorful salad for lunch, and trying a new, more complex dish for dinner.
Your salads always sound so healthy, but I worry I'd be hungry again in an hour.
That's why you add protein like grilled chicken or filling ingredients like nuts and cheese. It gives you energy without feeling heavy.
Let's review a few more key words. We mentioned comfort food, which is food that gives you a feeling of happiness and nostalgia.
Another important word is flavor. Flavor refers to the specific taste of a food or drink, like whether it's sweet, sour, salty, or even spicy. For example, a lemon has a sour flavor.
And our final word is frying. To fry something means to cook it in hot oil or fat. French fries are a perfect example of fried food. It often makes food crispy.
Let's put it all together. A pizza has a savory flavor and can have many toppings. According to a recipe, the main ingredients are dough, tomato sauce, and cheese. It can be a bit greasy, but it's my favorite comfort food.
That's a perfect summary. It's clear that food is about so much more than just eating. It's tied to our memories, our creativity, and our sense of comfort.
I agree completely. And talking about a fun topic like food can make practicing English feel much more enjoyable. Now, we want to hear from you.
Yes, what is your comfort food? Is it a special dish from your family or something you love to order at a restaurant?
Let us know in the comments below. We love reading your answers and learning about different cultures through food.
Thank you for joining us for this delicious conversation. You are all doing a fantastic job with your English learning.
Keep practicing, stay curious, and be sure to enjoy something tasty today. Until next time.
Goodbye, everyone.